I'm Casiño Adrian Jose, and I'll be explaining each form and what their uses. So first we have the login form, which we input our username and password, which is admin, then the password is admin, and we log in, and we will have a menu. In the maintenance menu, we can each display and edit each the item tether, the supplier, and the items. We can each edit that and insert our own values. Then we have a delivery, which we use to deliver items into our inventory stocks. Then we have an inventory monitoring, which we see the items in each stocks. Then we have point POS, which where we sell our inventory stocks. So here we have the inventory stocks table.
Hello, good day. My name is Rañosa Rose and P, together with Jeremiah Custodio and Ralph Joshua Talion, and we are Group 6 from Cluster 2, and we are here to present the login form and maintenance form. So for login form contains 2 label, 2 text box, 1 checkbox, and 1 button. Then for the menu form, it contains 1 label and 4 buttons: maintenance, delivery, and inventory, and POS. Then for the maintenance form, it contains 3 labels and 3 data grid view and 3 buttons. Now I'm calling Jeremiah Custodio to explain the function of each form.
Then for the functions po ng login form and maintenance form, first yung username po is lalagyan po ng user, then yung password niya po. Then kapag halimbawa po gusto niya pong i-check yung password niya kung tama po, may button po na show password. Then kapag po yung user po is incomplete, yung pag hindi po siya naglagay ng password niya, ay may lalabas po na message box, which is lalabas po yung salitang please complete the login form. Then i-click niya yung login button. Then magpo-proceed po yan sa menu form na lalabas po yung tatlong buttons, yung maintenance, delivery, inventory, and POS. Then proceed po sa maintenance form. Then pagkapunta po ng maintenance form is lalabas po yung tatlong tables: name, item category, supplier, and items. Then kapag po pinindot yung display button, is lalabas po yung laman ng database. Yung laman po ng tables. Then may I call Mr. Joshua Talion for the relationship of each tables and yung code po ng laman ng forms.
Thank you, Mr. Jeremiah Custodio, for the function. Then next is the relationship of item category, supplier, and items. The primary key is the item category, and the supplier and items are foreign key. Then the ID ay primary key ng item category at ang foreign key niya ay yung ID din po. Then next is yung sa name ng item category. Ang foreign key niya ay name ng supplier. Then for the login form code, yun po, gumamit po nga po ng text box. Then yung sa login na button, yung sa code niya, kapag wala pong nilagay, and not true, which is yung sunod po, yung form, then yung message box, then kapag sa checkbox naman po, magamit po ng system password character, which is makikita nyo naman po sa checkbox kanina. Then yung sunod po, yung magto-true or false yung checkbox kapag kiniklik po. Then next form po tayo, yung form po na ginamit, which is yung menu form. Ito po yung nilalaman niya na 4. Kapag yung 4 na button, ito po yung form niya, maintenance, delivery, inventory, and yung POS or yung point of sale. Then yung point of sale, next po nun, yung form 3, which is yung maintenance. Yung maintenance po, ito po yung kumukonekta sa server at ng database. Then next po, ang ginamit po namin na global variable ay yung con, which is yung single n. Then yung para po ma-display yung item category, gumamit po ng connection para sa database and para po malagay sa mismong data grid view. Ito po ang name ng data grid view 1, which is yung para makita po yung data source. Then no problem naman po, kaya di po lumabas tong message box ng connection problem. Then next po, yung para sa supplier, same as ganun din po ang kanyang connection. Then ang pinagkaiba lang yung kanyang data grid view, naka-specified po ng number 2. Then next po ay yung same as the display items. Then yung data grid view niya ay number 3. So that's all po. Yun po ang presentation ng Group 6, Cluster 2. Thank you po sa panonood.
Hello, my name is Casiño Adrian Jose from Group 10, Cluster 2, and I will be demonstrating the form delivery. Form delivery, you will input when what what that will happen, and delivery will be what items that will be delivered in the inventory stocks. So you will input a date, so 2022 month, so 12 December. Then the day, which is 14, and the item ID, which 1001, or ID, then quantity of 40, then we deliver that, and as you can see, we notify the items are delivered, and once we check in the table, select all from delivery, and it now has the delivery table, and we will check the stocks. Now have 40 of the item ID of 1001.
Good evening. Ako po si Ivan Christian de Guzman, and nandito po para i-explain yung delivery form. So, sa delivery form, naka-connect po siya sa database DB Factory. Then, siya po yung, ang function po niya is makikita po yung mga na-deliver na items. siya po yung magde-deliver ng items. Then, i-show na rin po kung na-deliver na yung items. Then, dito tayo sa form load 1. As usual, nakakonect pa rin siya sa database na DB Factory. Then, meron kaming try at catch. So, sa pagka-form load, is makikita niya yung laman ng database na sa pamamagitan ng select from delivery. Select asterisk from delivery. Then, i-display niya sa may sa may inventory grid view. Kapag naman may connection problem, lalabas siya ng message box na connection problem. Pero pag okay naman yung connection is, yun, magpo-proceed siya sa try. Dito naman sa new button, nandito yung mga text box kung saan nakalagay yung mga, kung saan ilalagay yung mga ilalagay sa database. Kumbaga, sila yung mag-i-input sa database. Dito yung paglalagyan nila. Ito yung sa price text box, yung price, then yung quantity. Tapos sa private void save button click, ang purpose niya is isa-save niya yung mga in-insert sa delivery values. Then, ipiprint out yung items has been delivered. Then, sa delete button naman, pwede ka mag-click ng isang row, then, i-delete. O, kapag nagka-problema naman is may catch tayo na error. Then, sa inventory grid view, cell double click, pwede ma-select ng user yung na-deliver na item, then pwede niya ulit ito i-insert at ma-deliver para ma-deliver ulit. Tapos meron naman catch na there has been an error. Dun sa price text box naman, pwede siya magbago ng price depende sa input ng user. Then ito yung design ng delivery form. Dito yung data grid view. Then dito yung date kung kailan siya na-deliver at ide-deliver. Yung item ID, tas yung quantity ng item kung ilan. Then pag dito naman sa deliver button, pag pinindot to, mapupunta siya sa database, then magdi-display siya dito sa may label na items delivered. Yun lang po.
Hi, good day. I'm Mr. Angela Flores, and now I will show you the POS or point of sale form. Here we have data grid view and the table item ID and its quantity. In this combo box, we can select an item ID from this data grid view, and it will display the price. Here to enter quantity, we can choose how many quantity we want to sell. Like, you can choose 2, and then here in sell, balik kinukuha niyo yung total ng amount na kinuha mo dito sa quantity. It depends on the quantity kung ilan yung binenta mo. Then pagka-sale mo, there's a dialog box, stock sold. Pagka-sale mo, mapupunta yung information niya doon sa tables ng sales to our database. Here. we have sales. Yeah. Dito, the quantity, kung ilang quantity ang binenta mo. Then, dun sa text box sa quantity. Then, ito sa kung anong item ID ang nabenta. And, dito sa PF, pinutang nyo yung amount kung magkano yung binenta mo. Like, for example, the base price of the item ID 1 is 100. Then the total amount of that item is 200. Then, let's go back to the code. Reserve yung here, dito sa code, we have a POS form at we use MySQL connections for our database para makaselect tayo ng items from our database and display if we select the items, it will also display the base price or the item price of the item. Then, here in BTL bottom cell, then, we have bottom cell, yung base up dito. Dito, we have pagka-sale mo, yung there's a dialog box na the stocks is sold. Then we have two interactions na mangyayari dun sa database. First is to insert data to our sale table. Then second is to update the inventory stocks para mabawasan yung laman if nakapagbenta na tayo. Then the purpose of this POS is to sell yung laman ng inventory stocks. At dito naman sa post-load, i-load niya yung POS form or dito, let's say, I can close this. Okay. I-load niya tong form na POS and i-display niya yung laman ng inventory stocks kung saan yung item ID, yung quantity, at yung dun sa yung label ng item price and the price. And then you can also enter quantity, and we can after entering the quantity, pwede natin siyang ibenta. Click the sell, and then after ng pag-sell, doon mapupunta doon sa table sales ng ating database.
Hello sir, this is Fritzie M, Ferriol, and I'm going to present the inventory monitoring together with my group mates, Joyce, Lansangan, and Allan, Dimla. So, as you can see here sir, we have 4 choices, which is monitoring, delivery, inventory, and POS. So, we're going to click the inventory button, and the inventory monitoring form will be displayed. And inside of inventory monitoring, we can see the items and qualities that are being delivered.
Hello everyone, my name is Allan A. Dimla, and ang i-report ko po ngayon is yung sa amin na code sa inventory po. Yun po yung project na naka-assign sa amin. And ito po yung code na ginawa namin, and i-explain ko po yung sa pag-connect po ng database dun sa inventory. Bale, ano po yung server po, diyan po nakalagay yung string con server localhost, tapos yung database po na DB factory, tapos yung user po na root, tapos yung none na password po, yung walang password po na ilalagay. Tapos diyan na rin po nakalagay yung method na initialize component po, then tapos yung label 2 click and form 1 load. Yun po. And sunod naman po is yung key Joyce po. Thank you.
Dangal greetings everyone. I am Joyce Lansangan. I will explain the other part of the code in inventory system. So this is the other part of the code. So in this part, as you can see, is the deleting button. So I will explain first the delete button. So we enter the private void delete button, then click, then open parentheses, object sender, then event args, then close parentheses. After that, we enter the code, then we put in the code the try button. Then after we try, the inventory grid view, current cell, row index, then delete is shown. Then after that, we enter the code, then the catch, exception, ERR are shown in the code. After we put those code, we enter, then the console.write line, open parentheses, error, then plus ERR, close parentheses is shown. As you can see, this is the way how we delete the button, how deleting button in this inventory system code. After that, we enter. Then next, I will explain how we change the text. How we change the text. So as you can see, we put on the code the private void price text box, then text change, then the object sender event args. Then after that, after we enter, the private void description text box, text change, object sender event args are shown. As you can see in this code, this is how we change the text in the way of price text box and description text box. So after that, when we run the code, the sales inventory text box change, the price description text box, the price text box, the description text box, and the delete button will show. So this is my part on this video. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Casiño Adrian Jose here, explaining the relationship of our project. Here we have the items table, which has a relationship with item category, where the items table is a foreign key of item category, whereas item category has ID and name, which the name has which they have a unique, each has a unique key name, both has name because they have the same name. So items having the name. Then we have the supplier, which is a foreign key from the delivery. In the supplier table, we have the ID, address, and contact number. And in delivery, it has a relationship with its inventory stock, whereas in the item ID from delivery is a foreign key, which has a foreign key of the item ID in inventory stocks. Then the sales is a foreign key, the ID of inventory stocks.